What's up, party people? G5 Productions in the place to be. Superman First Class in the mix. Here's the question.
Does the Rode Wireless Go work with the iPhone 12 Pro?
Let's find out. Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I'm Gerald, excited to share with you guys once again. I'm always doing my small part to try to help someone or answer a question with regards to streaming. I am a professional DJ, but I don't stream to Twitch or nothing like that because my focus and my efforts are mostly mobile. So I'm always at some event away from my home, and that's just the way I chose to go. Other than that, business is good and it keeps me plenty busy. Anyways, I got all this stuff on the table, so I'm making this video outside because I wanted to crimp some cables, and I'll be doing some soldering a little bit later after that today. So let me just get all this stuff over here to the side so we can focus on the question at hand, and then I'll get into my next video plus crimping and soldering and all that. So what are we here for today? We're here to find out if the Rode Wireless Go is able to work with the iPhone 12 Pro. I want to show you guys something. So here's the box that the 12 Pro comes in, right? Nothing special about the box, but check it out, check it out. Y'all know I'm just kidding, right? Okay everybody, here's the real deal. This is the iPhone 12 Pro. I didn't get the Pro Max because this phone is already really big for my hands, I feel, and the Pro Max is like just that much bigger. But here's the input. No more headphone jack or nothing like that. So here's my old phone. Check it out, check it out. And as you guys can see, that's the reason for the upgrade. Believe it, this phone actually still works in this condition. But anyways, I have here a lightning plug on the bottom, and I have a headphone jack. So I can get the Rode Wireless Go plugged right into here, get my vlog on and all that good stuff. But with the new phone, only having a lightning jack, we have to figure out how to get the Rode Wireless Go to get audio into this phone. So let's see what works. So here we go everybody, getting down to the nitty gritty. Here's a bag of Rode Wireless Go accessories, and I'm not gonna focus on the Go, but there's the dead cats in that bag. 2 charge cable for both the transmitter and the receiver. I have a cable here that is TRS to TRS that comes with the Rode Wireless Go. A separate SC7 cable. This one is TRS to TRRS. And then the other thing I have here is an adapter because I use the Rode SmartLav Plus and I plug it into the receiver, but the SmartLav Plus has TRRS on the end of it, so I have to convert it to TRS. That's in fact what I am using in this video at the moment. The main feature in this bag right here is the Rode Wireless Go transmitter and receiver. So that's the whole little setup right there, and this is my first set. And I'm using the second Wireless Go set to make this video. All right, everybody, so to keep this video simple, here's the way I used to get audio into the iPhone 6. I would have this lapel microphone clipped to my shirt, and then at the end where it's TRRS, I would convert it with the TRRS female to TRS right here. This is the Rode SC3 cable. So I would then just plug it right into the top of the transmitter like so. And then this goes from wireless over here to the receiver, and then I have this TRS to TRRS cable right here, and I'm gonna just go ahead and hook it right into the receiver just like that. And then of course the TRRS side goes right into the iPhone. So there you go. And this would be the way I can go to Facebook Live, YouTube Live, or make a recording directly to the iPhone 6 in this configuration. So I could take this set and be away from the phone, you know, 10-20 feet or whatever, doing product reviews, and the phone could be affixed on a stand or wherever, right? Sometimes I actually drive around with this fixed to a mirror, and I'll be wearing this system, so if I get out of the car, you could still hear me while I do whatever I'm doing outside the car and then jump right back in. But the question is,
how do we make it happen with the iPhone 12 Pro?
Well, to answer that question, we have here a 3.5 millimeter adapter to Lightning. So we're going to need that. We're going to replace this phone with the new phone, which is the 12 Pro. So we obviously can't plug the 3.5 millimeter in there. I mean, there's none, right? So you see what I see. and it is what it is. So in order to make that happen, we have to use this dongle here, and I'm just going to plug it right into the lightning jack of the phone. To test this theory out, we're going to make an actual recording. So here we go. So I just opened up my phone. We're going to put it on to video, and here it is. Okay, party people, we're looking at a cable, then a pouch. Next, there's a phone, another set of cables, and another pouch. And stop. So here's what we're going to do next. I'm going to go ahead and play the video and see if we can hear the audio from it while the cables are still plugged in. So this is really a learning on the fly lesson here. So the answer here is, with the cable plugged in, you cannot hear the audio, but you can see the video. So I'm going to play it again and unplug the lightning port and see what happens there. So here we go. People, we're looking at a cable, then a pouch. Next, there's a phone, another set of cable, and stop. So there it is, party people. We just answered the question 2. Does the Rode Wireless Go work with the iPhone 12 Pro? And of course it's yes, because we just did it. But let me know what you think in the comment section below. What are your questions? How are you going to use the Wireless Go on your new iPhone 12 if you have that? Or maybe you got the 12 Pro Max, I don't know. But either way, let me know in the comment section below. And before I get out of here, please smash that like button, subscribe to our channel. And if you want to keep up with all these cool videos, all you got to do is rock that bell. I'm Gerald with G5 Productions, DJ Sound and Lighting. And you can hit me up at www.g5productions.com. Let's party.